Hello guys, in this video we'll be seeing how to install and set up Ansible in the Red Hat VM. As Ansible works on top of Python 3, we need to make sure that Python 3 installed in our system. And what is Ansible, how it's solving real world use cases, how it's helping in the field of automation. I've written a detailed article about it. You can go through that in the description. So let's start how to install and set up Ansible. So yum is a command which we use in Red Hat to install any kind of a software. So I assume that yum is already configured in your system, and we are using yum to install Python 3. Using command yum install Python 3. So as I've already installed, so now you can install Ansible using pip command. Pip3 install Ansible. So I've already installed pip Ansible also. So now once the Ansible is installed, we have to verify it by using a command called Ansible version. Yeah, here you could see 3.6.8 Ansible Python version, and Ansible 2.10.4 is there. So conf file is none. We have to configure the conf file of the Ansible, so we can enter the remote host and do whatever the changes we need. So let's configure the conf file. So we'll be configuring conf file in using vim etc ansible ansible.cfg. So we'll be writing content here. Using the commands called defaults, inventory, this is not good for security purpose, but we are making it disable. So once you have written this, you can save. So we have configured the Ansible conf file. Now we have to save a list of IP addresses. So I will be creating a file name as ip.txt, as we have given in the conf file as an IP. So I have a VM running in my local system. So I would copy the IP address of it, 192.168. It's 190. So here we will be writing username and password which of the remote user. So Ansible could log in with our username and password. SSH user, I have given user as root. Ansible SSH pass. I will be giving my password over here, so I will be sharing my screen for 1 second. So as I have given my password and saved the file in the ip.txt. So one more thing we need for Ansible to work is SSH pass, which is the protocol on which on the Ansible works. So we need to install SSH pass. As such, yum software is not containing SSH pass, so we have to search online for any kind of a software from which we can download SSH pass. One of it is Apple software, so I've searched a link for it on the internet, so we can copy that link over there. So we can use this link to install Apple. So once you have copied it, you can paste it over here and start installing. So you could see it's getting installed, Apple software. So as I've already installed, so now you have to install yum install ssh pass. So you have installed ssh pass. Now to check whether you have uh, thoroughly configured Ansible or not, you could see your Ansible version. Earlier when you used to see this conf file was showing none, now it's showing etc ansible ansible.cfg. So you could see your Ansible has been configured. So now you can check using a ping command. In Ansible we have Ansible all means all the host where you want to run the command. All signifies that. -m is the module, which module you want to run. In my case I am running a ping module which will say whether a remote host is active or not. So once I hit enter, we could we could see that we have successfully configured Ansible, installed and configured Ansible on our system. So we could see here ping pong indicates that there is a thorough connection between the remote host and the managed host. So by this way we can configure Ansible on our system. Thank you.